Is Windows failing to load because of the Wireless Wide Area Network Service DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we walk through the Wireless Wide Area Network Service troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Wireless Wide Area Network Service, the Wireless Wide Area Network WWAN Service Library. It manages the connectivity for cellular data modems and integrated SIM card slots in laptops and tablets. It handles the mobile broadband connection logic. If corrupted, the cellular option will disappear from the network settings, and the PC will be unable to initialize 4G and 5G hardware, citing a SIM initialization failure. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Wireless Wide Area Network Service DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Wireless Wide Area Network Service component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't restore your connection, we need to reset the network stack and clear the protocol cache. First, open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. East, type n.etsh space int space ip space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs manage the plumbing of your internet. Resetting the stack clears out corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Wireless Wide Area Network Service DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Wireless Wide Area Network Service. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Wireless Wide Area Network Service dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission